Hi, and welcome to this tips and tricks video by Premium Plus. My name is Anton, and I'm here to tell you about the stay on ticket or not option in Zendesk. This option or button lets you decide what happens when you're submitting your ticket. You can either close the current tab, you can go to the next ticket in view, or you can stay on the ticket to add another internal comment or public comment, for instance. So where can we find it and what does it look like in Zendesk? Let's take a look in our instance. In the lower right corner, left of the submit button, you find this small button that will allow you to either choose close tab, next ticket in view, or stay on the current ticket. So basically, if you hit submit, it will look at this setting and do whatever you've chosen here. If you chose close tab, it will close your current tab as if you just click the X here on the upper left. If you choose next ticket in view, it will work similar as the play button. It will go to the next ticket in your view. In my case, I'm on to the last ticket of the list, so it will return to the view. But if I'm on the first ticket, I select next ticket in view and hit submit as open. It will serve the next ticket, which was 82. And the last option is stay on ticket. If I select stay on ticket, I can add a public reply, for instance. Then submit the ticket as open. For instance, I will stay on the ticket, giving me the option to change or edit ticket fields or add an internal note, and then choose close tab, for instance, submit as on hold, and now I'm ready with this ticket. So it's a small button on the lower right, but it can help you keeping a ticket open if you need to do more things than just a public reply. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.